If your feet feel cold right now, or your legs ache when you stand up, please don't ignore what I'm about to tell you. Surprised, because there's a good chance your blood isn't reaching your legs and feet the way it used to. And what scares me most, after treating patients over 60 for more than 35 years, is that most people blame it on aging. They say, "Oh, I'm just getting older," but that numbness, that tingling, that heaviness in your legs, that's not normal aging. Serious. That's your body sending you a warning signal, and if you don't listen to it, the consequences can be devastating. I've seen it happen too many times. A patient comes in complaining about cold toes. 6 months later, they can barely walk to the mailbox. A year after that, they're being told words no one ever wants to hear. I'm not saying that to scare you. I'm saying it because I care about you, and because what I'm about to share with you today could genuinely change the way your legs and feet feel starting tomorrow morning. You see, after 60, your arteries start to stiffen. The walls of your blood vessels get thicker. Blood flow slows down, especially to the places farthest from your heart, your legs, your ankles, your feet, your toes. And when that blood flow drops, your muscles don't get enough oxygen. Your nerves start to struggle. You get swelling. You get pain. You get that awful feeling like your legs are made of concrete. And here's what most people don't realize. Poor circulation in your legs doesn't just affect your legs. It triples your risk of stroke. It dramatically increases your chance of a dangerous blood clot. And it puts you on a path toward losing the ability to walk independently. That's the part that breaks my heart. Because it doesn't have to be that way. Recent studies are now showing something that honestly surprised even me after all these years in medicine. Certain natural drinks, made from simple ingredients you can find at any grocery store, can actually widen your arteries, boost a molecule in your body called nitric oxide, and restore blood flow to your legs and feet in as little as 24 hours. Not weeks, not months, hours. Today I'm going to walk you through the most powerful of these drinks. I've seen them work in my own patients, and the science behind them is solid. But I need you to stay with me, because the one I share near the end of this video is so effective that researchers compared its results to what you'd normally only see with prescription medications. So please keep watching. Let me start with one that surprises a lot of people. It's simple green tea, but prepared in a very specific way, with fresh ginger. Now, I know you've probably heard that green tea is healthy, but when it comes to circulation, it's what's inside the tea that matters. Green tea contains a natural compound that gently relaxes the walls of your blood vessels. Think of it like opening a window in a stuffy room. Suddenly, everything flows better. And when you add freshly grated ginger to it, something remarkable happens. The ginger reduces the inflammation that's been squeezing your blood vessels shut, while also making your blood flow just a little more smoothly. The key is how you make it. Don't use boiling water. Let it cool for a minute or two first, because extreme heat destroys the very compounds you need. Add about a tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, let it steep for 5 minutes, no more, and drink it mid-morning. One study found that seniors who drank this combination regularly saw a 23% improvement in the standard measurement doctors use to check leg circulation. That's significant. And the warmth of the drink itself gives your blood vessels an immediate gentle opening, so you feel the benefit right away. Now the next one might sound a little unusual, but trust me on this. Pure pomegranate juice with just a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. I know what you're thinking. Cayenne pepper? In my juice? But listen to what happens inside your body when you drink this. Pomegranate juice is packed with specific antioxidants that go straight to the lining of your blood vessels and help your body produce more nitric oxide. That's the molecule that tells your arteries to relax and open up. Studies show pomegranate juice alone can increase nitric oxide by up to 35% within hours. But when you add that small pinch of cayenne, something incredible kicks in. The capsaicin in the pepper is one of the fastest acting circulation boosters ever studied. Within minutes, your blood vessels start to dilate. Blood starts flowing to places it hasn't properly reached in months, maybe years. Your feet might actually feel warm again. Use just 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne in 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice, no added sugar, and drink it in the early afternoon when your circulation naturally dips. One clinical study found this combination improved walking distance and reduced leg pain in just 7 days, with blood flow increasing by an average of 31%. And if you're finding this helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to this channel. I share videos like this every week because I believe everyone deserves to understand what's happening in their body and what they can do about it. You don't need a medical degree to take care of yourself. You just need the right information. Now, this next drink is where things get really interesting. It's a blend of beetroot juice and tart cherry juice. And if you only try one thing from this entire video, honestly, this might be the one. Beetroot is nature's most concentrated source of natural nitrates. Your body takes those nitrates and converts them directly into nitric oxide, the same molecule I just mentioned, the one that opens your arteries. But here's a detail almost no one talks about. That conversion happens partly because of the good bacteria on your tongue. So if you use antibacterial mouthwash right before drinking this, you actually block the benefit. That one little fact could be the difference between this working for you or not. Tart cherry juice adds something beautiful to the mix. It contains powerful compounds that calm inflammation inside your blood vessels and help repair damage that's been building up for years. When you combine these two juices, equal parts, about 4 ounces of each, and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, the results can be remarkable. One major study showed this combination improved leg circulation by 38% within 24 hours. Many of my own patients have told me their feet felt warmer by that same evening. Some said their legs felt lighter than they had in years. But the next drink takes a completely different approach, and most people have never heard of using it this way. It's turmeric golden milk. Now, turmeric has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, but modern science has finally caught up and confirmed what ancient healers always knew. The active compound in turmeric fights inflammation inside your blood vessels, prevents your blood cells from clumping together, and helps repair the inner walls of your arteries. The problem is, your body barely absorbs it on its own, and this is where most people go wrong. They sprinkle some turmeric in water and wonder why nothing happens. The secret is combining it with fat and black pepper. The fat helps your body absorb the turmeric, and the black pepper increases absorption by up to 2,000%. So here's how you make it properly. Warm a cup of full-fat coconut milk or whole milk on the stove. Don't let it boil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a little ginger powder, and just a tiny pinch of cayenne. Stir it gently for 5 minutes and drink it warm about an hour before bed. Why before bed? Because research shows your body absorbs these compounds more effectively while you sleep, and the circulation benefits compound overnight. One study found that seniors who drank this nightly had 42% less leg swelling and could walk noticeably farther within just 2 weeks. Now, there's another combination that even some cardiologists are starting to quietly recommend to their patients. It's hibiscus tea combined with hawthorn berry. This pairing works similarly to certain blood pressure medications, but it's completely natural. Hibiscus improves the flexibility of your blood vessels, and hawthorn strengthens the walls of your arteries while helping your heart pump more efficiently. Steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for about 10 minutes. Add a teaspoon of liquid hawthorn extract and split it into 2 servings, one in the morning and one in the early evening. The deep red color of this tea isn't just beautiful, it's a sign of the powerful compounds doing the work inside your body. But now I need to share with you the one that stopped me in my tracks when I first read the research. And honestly, it's the reason I made this video. It's a simple smoothie made from watermelon, but not just the pink flesh. The real magic is in the white part of the rind that most people throw away. That white rind is loaded with a compound called l-citrulline, and your body converts it into nitric oxide more efficiently than almost anything else ever studied. Unlike other supplements that get broken down before they can work, l-citrulline has nearly perfect absorption, and it doesn't just work for an hour or two. It keeps opening your arteries for up to 24 hours. Here's how to make it. Blend 2 cups of watermelon flesh with about a cup of the white rind. Add a squeeze of fresh lime juice, a few mint leaves, and 1/2 cup of coconut water. Drink it about 30 minutes before your main meal. In clinical studies, this simple smoothie improved blood flow by up to 52%. Patients reported major relief from leg cramps, less swelling, and that heavy, tired feeling in their legs finally lifting. 52% improvement from a watermelon smoothie. That's the kind of result that makes you wonder why more doctors aren't talking about this. Now, I want to be honest with you. You don't have to try all of these at once. Even picking 2 or 3 and rotating them through your week can make a meaningful difference in how your legs and feet feel. The key is consistency. 1 cup once won't change your life, but 1 cup every day, over time, can change everything. And please, if you're currently taking blood thinners or any heart medication, talk to your doctor before adding these to your routine. These drinks are natural, but they are powerful, and it's always smart to make sure everything works together safely. Before I let you go, I want to say something from my heart. I know what it feels like to watch someone you love struggle to walk across a room. I know the fear that comes with losing your independence. And I know that sometimes it feels like your body is working against you. But it's not. Your body wants to heal. It wants to move. It wants to carry you through every beautiful day you have left. Sometimes it just needs a little help. And sometimes that help is as simple as a glass of something good. If this video gave you even a small piece of hope today, please share it with someone you love. A spouse, a friend, a neighbor who's been complaining about their legs. You never know whose life you might change with something this simple. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Dr. Daniel Carter, Prime Health. I'm here for you every single week with information that could make your next years your best years. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.